might have to get that guy.
Yeah, we've got some coming.
There's one behind that tree to our right.
I can't reach that far.
Just fine.
The red bush, easy. I could drop him over, but...
Yeah.
They're dead.
No, they're behind it. You'll get some back of the road as well. What's that kid doing in the green?
Walking around.
Here come in.
See where it's going? You know you're hitting the thing.
Yeah, I know. I realise that now. There they are, in the bush. Straight ahead.
Get back. They're in the red bush. They're in the red bush. We're aiming at you.
Huh?
They're aiming at me then.
Yeah, they're aiming at me. They can't see me from here. I can't reach that bush. You okay? What? You okay?
It's a lot.
Which bush they are? The one.
Purple one.
What, that one?
Yeah, the one I got the guy in the head in.
Yeah.
Alright, so there you go, he's coming out now. Got him. Boom.
The camera's not looking at it now.
What?
The camera's looking to the right.
Is it?
But when you put your look at me, when you look at a scope like that, you turn your head because you turn your eyes that way.
Yeah.
So you're looking that way. Tiny bit.
Oh, well, I got him anyway.
Here we go. Meditate.
You can hit that one thing. He's going down.
Wait for it. Oh, now, shoot. Johnny.
Pulled him back.
I think you are in there.
You are?
It looks like you are in there.
Yeah.
Get your scope back on there, Rick. You're fucking happy with him.
Top target. One
to the left.
each side.
To the right.
There is one tree right.
One on the tree.
Which one?
The big tree. No, in front.
No. Straight ahead where you look at the bush. Yeah, you're behind the tree bush now. On the tree again. Coming out? No.
YouTube kid. Yeah.
I remember the bush. We've got three over there. I think it's got the bush now.
They won't come on that side, they'll come into the big way.
Where are they coming from? Because those shots were coming across that building.
They were coming from there, that
Really?
bush where I hit the guy in the tree. And now he's medicked and they've ran down that way.
No, that guy in the tree was dead now.
Yeah, no, but another guy came, I shot that guy then, another guy. And then he got a medic on him. So they... Where are they? You see him from outside. Well, in the corner of the building. Yeah.
Definitely one be medic, or he's blocked and gone that way. One of them walked. Have you seen anything down there?
There you go, in my bush again. I moved back.
Yeah, nice. massive.
But you see his head through the
Yeah.
branches.
The lead work.
Yeah.
Getting back at it.
What she doesn't poke on, do you know? The yours are floating in the air. Yeah, Sam's will reach him.
Yeah.
Easily. Just got to bait him, wait until he comes out a bit. And then we're going.